Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. So guys, in today's video we are going to talk about Accenture offer letter update. So for the candidates waiting for their updates from Accenture, it's good news for them. They are going to expect updates soon. So before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, as I regularly bring these kinds of joining updates and helpful videos for all of you related to placement preparation. So let's now start with today's update. So the update is that Accenture has started sending out the offer letters and task emails for the new phases, and many candidates had been receiving selection and rejection emails, but some were concerned about not getting the task email even after receiving the congratulatory email. So today, one of some of our group members, and not just today but in last few days, many group members and the subscriber of our channels they have updated that Accenture has started sending out the offer letter emails. So you can see on our screen here congratulations on your job offer from Accenture. This is the offer letter email. So the email says, "Hi, great news, you aced it. We love to join you at Accenture. We know what a big step this is. So if there's anything you still need to know, please contact us at any time. We are here to make sure you have all the information you need. These are incredibly exciting times at Accenture. We are bringing positive transformation to the planet with technology and human ingenuity. We'd be thrilled for you to be with us at the heart of change." Basically, this is the offer letter email from Accenture, and this means that the offers are being shared and the candidates can now receive them on the portal. So if you are also waiting for your update, please let me know in the comment section on which status you are currently. Have you been interviewed, or have you given the test and waiting for your interview, or are you waiting for your interview result, or everything is completed, you are just waiting for your offer letters? So let me know on which status you are, and I will guide you through the next process. So the email, and these emails also specifies the task that needs to be completed from the work day. So, and also we have another example from the candidates where they mentioned that their interviews was done on November 13th, and they received the congratulation emails on December 17th, followed by a workday email on the same day, and the guide to submit their BGV verification, that is background verification, by December 20th. However, they haven't received any updates since then. So guys, if you are confused how the process of Accenture recruitment looks like, I have brought the complete details, but step by step process, like how the recruitment process at Accenture looks like. So first step is that your exam and interview will happen. So if you are a fresher, so for you it will the exam will happen, and if you are an experienced candidate, directly the interview will happen after the after the initial call with HR. So after taking the Accenture exam, you will be proceeded to the interview stage. So second phase is the selection phase. Okay, now in this the major decision comes, that is candidate receives one of the following emails out of this, that is either you will get a congratulations email, which means you are selected. Second is either you will get a regret email, which means you have been rejected. And if you don't have received any email, it typically means rejection. But if you don't have received any email from long time, then only you can consider it as a rejection. But if you have just given before 1 month, you should not consider it as rejection. At this selection phase, we are talking about exam process. Okay, so once who has given the exam, for that the result will come. Then the third step is, once if you are selected, you will get a workday email after the congratulations email. Okay, so which means your interview will happen, and then you will get that email. So once that is also done, then next comes your, which means you have cleared all the rounds. Next step is, fourth step is background verification. So after workday, you will receive an email related to background verification. Okay, and not just this, meanwhile in the starting phases also you might get few emails from workday that you need to upload few documents like Aadhaar card or something in the workday portal. So make sure to do that. And once your background verification is done, you will receive the offer letter. You need to review and complete any assigned task that you have in the workday portal. Now make the important note over here is that in Accenture, usually what we have noticed is, no one for smaller roles or something, no one releases a offer letter manually, or HR won't send you directly. It is like attached with the BGV process. So as soon as you complete BGV process by yourself, after 10 minutes or within, like as soon as you click submit, you will get your offer letter also, like sometimes within 10 minutes, sometimes within 20 minutes, depends on how the background documents are getting verified. Okay, so next step is document corrections. So once you submit your background verification documents, if there are issues in your documents such as address of proof of pan card, you will be asked to make corrections. Okay, so this is next step. And then seventh is the hiring pool. So after completion of the task and background verification, you will be added to the hiring pool. The hiring pool indicates you the background verification is cleared, and now you are waiting for your joining date. So and in this process you might get calls from your mobile from the BGV team that this correction needs to be done. So make sure that you do it quickly and don't take much time from your end. And last is the joining email. Once everything is done, you will get that offer letter email or the joining email where everything will be mentioned in your offer letter itself, what is your joining date and when you are going to join that company. Now if you are not aware, I myself has been through the process of Accenture and I've completed all the processes, so I know exactly how the process looks like. But in my case, the process were more for experienced candidate. But if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section and I can guide you based on my experience too. Now talking about some current updates on the Accenture's joining process. The joining process is currently moving slowly. While some candidates have received their joining, many still are waiting for their joinings. Candidates from October, November and December phases can expect their joining to happen around March or April duration. So make sure you wait for some time, and at the same time while you are waiting, keep on applying for other companies too. Now there are a few suggestions for the candidates from my side. Is first one is stay proactive while waiting. Don't remain idle. Look for other job opportunities to ensure you are not completely dependent on this Accenture process only. And second suggestion is keep checking updates. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel for all the latest updates on Accenture results and joining process, because I regularly bring the off-campus drives also on my channel, where if you subscribe to the channel you will get the latest notifications. So that's all for today's video. I think if you have any more doubts, please let me know in the comment section. And uh, if you want to share your interview experience, if you have been through this process, and if you have to help our audience on this channel, please make sure that you can share your interview experience. How can you share your interview experience? For that I will attach a form link in the comment section. Please make sure to fill so, and once if I feel though that your interview experience can be helpful for our candidates, I will feature you on our channel so that you can share your interview experience in this. And make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive all the latest regular updates. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel.